To me, it has been some time since I have posted a vlog. It is Thursday. I don't know how long this vlog will be, if it will be a day thing, but we are out. We are home goods. And if I had found myself in a space where I should not be, found these in the loft. I posted about them on Insta, cleaning the loft, and look what I found. Divine, vintage. Hermes Twilly picked this up in Madrid, the earrings, Chanel in Paris. So yeah, came here for a few things. We are going to have some very special guests staying with us next week. So just wanted to refresh. This is stuff that I've wanted to do already, but now I have like that extra push. So shop avec moi. Well, no, shop avec us. My husband, I am thinking about donating like all of our glassware. Well, the mugs, like all of the coffee mugs that I have, I am thinking about donating all of that. So if I do donate it all, I want to replace it because I have, of course, all of like my glass cappuccino and espresso mugs. But when people come over who drink coffee, I don't have a glass coffee mug. And it kind of, you know, the mismatch drives me mad. So let's see. Oh, Irish coffee. Oh, those are nice. That's really good. Because we can do two for each of the benches, right? If we put two, that'll equal like a whole, like a bench. We're also searching for like patio decor. We have that. We're looking for. This is really cute. This is a barista collection. Oh yeah, it's two. How many ounces? That's the thing that I have to ensure that it has. Oh, perfect. Let me switch the camera again. Okay, so I found the glasses that I love. Now we are looking for, I don't know what, kind of everything. It's one of those things when you come to places like this, you just start shopping for stuff that you didn't know that you needed. I love it. It's so much fun. Where's the light? You saw my post from a few weeks ago, my vlog. I showed you all how I organized our refrigerator. This is perfect because it holds 21 eggs. The porcelain egg holder that I have now only holds 12, so I still have to hang on to the egg carton. This makes me so happy. So I can store eggs and still use the porcelain one for like aesthetic reasons. Love the clearance section. Dish towels, and they're typically so expensive, so I am loving that they're marked down. I live for a good bargain, mezzanine. This is cute. I found one with my name, but I don't want to give the husband any ideas. Like has like taken over cooking. I don't want to give him any ideas. Yeah. I'll leave that alone. This is so cute. Let's see the husband's name. A lesson about buying electronics from stores like this and TJ Maxx. Not saying that that's the case everywhere, but I remember buying like a dehydrator from TJ Maxx and it melted, like caught on fire. Well, no, it didn't catch on fire. It was a fire hazard. So now I'm like, ooh, yikes. I have to get this for the bestie. It's a must. It is a must. I went to change baby Tina. I can hear her screaming from out here. I'm trying to get better at just letting him do stuff. He wants to, so let him do it. But I'm always like, oh no, I'll go change her, I'll do this, you know, when we're out in public. But as of me, if you have a spouse who wants to do it all, let them. Say la vie. Can you hear? You want it thicker?
Yeah.
I think that is so pretty.
It goes clean through it. I mean, cold goes clean through it.
With this on? I mean, with this?
Yeah, it's pretty thin. It's good for a big, and it's too big for the area, I think.
I mean, I think it's like the size of the room.
Yeah, we have those corners in the room.
Does it have the dimensions?
Oh, this is 9 by 12. Jesus, what the hell?
That's what I'm like. What you? That's gonna cover the backyard. What you order?
Jesus Christ.
Cancel that order.
No. I want it.
But that's crazy. If it's bigger than that.
I'm gonna cut it so it fits around and stuff.
Oh, God, my nerves are so bad. I thought I was drunk. This is pretty, baby. You know, I wish you all could see his face. This is nice.
I could play a pimpin'. You should have one of these.
Do you have one?
It's imitation alpaca. Huh?
And you want one?
Just like George Lucas.
Don't try to avoid the question. You said every player in pimp need one. Now you avoiding the question. Stop touching it.
Huh?
Stop touching it.
Take me back to when I was younger.
What were you doing when you were younger?
Huh?
Don't get pushed up in this Home Goods.
I had an imitation alpaca rug like this one.
Oh, did you? What color?
It was white. Where's my color? I'm pure.
Where is it now?
Pure player. Huh? What? I donated.
Uh-huh. I really like this.
It's had that way for me. I saw that years ago. I had actually picked the other one over that one.
Really? You don't for the guest
I'm
room?
gonna rip my bracelet. Damn,
Is she wearing a crop top? I can see her navel. Baby, I really... You're messing me. So I don't know where I left off. I feel like Friday when we were at Home Goods, and I didn't properly end the vlog then because, yeah, out shopping with the baby. I do hope that you all are well. I haven't even been active on Insta really. When I logged on maybe Friday, I said no, so that was Thursday. Thursday was the last day I was here. So when I logged on Insta Friday, I said that I was just relaxing pretty much all weekend. It is a bank holiday weekend. Tomorrow is Memorial Day here in the States, and typically there's a lot of gatherings, barbecues, and things of that nature, but it is like 13 degrees here, pretty cold for June. I love it. I'm in faux leather. I'm in my element. Juju is in his trench. We're so here for it. But yeah, I just wanted to stay in. I am still not comfortable being around large crowds. So we have been just home, binge watching different docu-series. And today I figured I needed to come out and do a few errands while a lot of people weren't on the road. And, you know, things are just kind of quiet because during the week it is more difficult. So we just left the barbershop and I'm heading to a rental property, check on that, and I'm ready to get back home and continue relaxing. What about you, Ju?
Yeah. We'll get a gift card.
Oh, yeah, a gift card because Ju wants to upgrade his status.
And it'll be a VIP.
Oh, be a VIP in Roblox. So I need to get him a gift card. But yeah, so it has been a pretty quiet weekend, but this week will be exciting. I have some fun things happening, and I'm off schedule, so to speak, with my vlog because typically I go Tuesday to Friday, but this week it's going to be Thursday until whenever. I don't know if I'm going to make what I'm doing the weekend, Friday, a separate vlog. I don't know. I'll work it out, but I hope you all are well. I really miss vlogging. It's been 2 weeks. I haven't. I posted the John Christopher Rogers collection, and then I posted me organizing my planner. So yeah, I'm going to get back into the swing of things, but I want to listen to some music now and finish. I'm just chatting with Juju the camera kid.
Yeah. Oh yes, come see my new video. Oh yes, come see my trailer of my new channel.
Okay, what's your channel?
I name myself Modern Life. My new channel.
So we're going to work on Juju the camera kid, his channel. It's going to be about Skylanders.
The Modern Life.
Modern Life. Oh yeah, because you showed me the house,
yes,
right, that they're going to live in?
Yes.
Yeah, so we'll work on that soon. But until then, ciao for now.
Yes, ciao for now.
Sure mess of me. It is Monday, and we're leaving the house. Having my double espresso by Nespresso. It's pretty late in the day for me to leave the house. I really didn't have plans on doing so, but I'm doing it. And it's about 21, 22 or so. So today is a perfect day to wear one of my Christopher John Rogers dresses, because if you watched the review, which I hope you did, if not, stop and watch it now, you'll know that the dresses are like really heavy. That's the husband playing with baby Chyna. Nonetheless, this is the perfect time to wear the dress. So let me finish up my espresso and figure out which dress I'm going to wear. He's been doing that all morning. Alrighty, ciao for now. Tell you how annoyed I am. Look at this little rogue lock. It is always one. Bonjour, mes amis, and c'est la vie. I am editing today's post for YouTube, so I will check back in a bit. Alrighty, ciao for now. Bonjour, mes amis. It is Tuesday. I do hope that you all are well. I have not recorded here since, I believe, Saturday or Sunday. I'm not sure what day. Sunday. But yeah, yesterday, Monday, Memorial Day here in the States, bank holiday, I just relaxed with the family. We went out for a bit. I wore a Christopher John Rogers dress. It was everything, but I did not take a photo because I'm really getting to a space where, well, I am in a space where I'm just enjoying the moment. I'm not recording everything that happens, just being present. So yeah, I did not get a photo, but rest assured, I will be wearing that dress again. It is Tuesday. I don't know if I said that already, but it is Tuesday. I posted a quick trailer on YouTube. I'm pretty much showcasing the video that I posted today about the Chanel hand cream review. If you want a good laugh, watch that video. It is funny. I am not a beauty blogger. That's not my thing, but I still have an opinion. I posted that today, and I'm a quick stories, but it is, I think it's about 4 or so now. I don't even know what time it is. I am going to head out and get a pedicure because today has just been, I don't know, just a weird day. I've just been feeling very off, like nothing in particular. All is well. Like I truly have zero complaint. I mean, there's always complaints, but I just choose not to focus on them. Like there's not anything detrimental. So with that, I am going to, I guess I should have called to try to make an appointment. Let me try to make an appointment to see if I can get in today for a pedi. And more than likely, I'll just pick up dinner while I am out because the husband, I don't think he set out anything to cook and I'm not cooking. So if I go to the shop, I will record. I'm going to find a shop, even if I don't go to the one that I went to before. I'll find one. So, okay, let me get out of here. Alrighty, ciao for now. That's the pearl. Okay. Oh, it does smell good.
And it smells good. That's why I took $10.
Yeah, definitely worth the upgrade.
Now pick out.
So I am super excited. I was able to get an appointment, no wait. And I know it's because it's Tuesday. Mainly or mostly everyone has gone over the weekend. Super excited. I am in the YSL station. Now I'm upset that I didn't wear like any of my YSL pieces, but time to enjoy. I have packed a book. Let me show you. It is time to relax. I have my glass of wine. Alrighty, ciao for now. Me, it is Thursday evening now. Baby Chyna is fine. I swear every time I come to record, she starts screaming. Really, whenever I leave out of her sight. So it's Thursday evening. I recorded for Insta earlier. I'm not sure if I'm going to insert those videos here, but if not, I'll just catch you up. So I recorded for Insta earlier. Just doing a lot. I am hungry. I have not eaten anything today. Well, I had biscotti with my cappuccino, but that's no way to live. So I have lamb tamales downstairs waiting. But I'm in the dressing room because I am trying to figure out what I am going to pack for my weekend away. I consider myself a pro at packing. Like, that is my thing. But what I am attempting to do this go round is going to be like epic. Truly, I feel like if I can pull this off, I can do anything. And what is that, you ask? If I can pack for myself and an infant using only my GM, yeah, that's it. There's no words. So I am going to attempt to do that. I am really trying to plot out the days, how what I plan to do that day that will determine. I mean, there's so many nuances because I will have to just have one pair of shoes, like whatever I wear, whatever shoes that I wear, that's what I need to just have with all of my outfits. I do this often by myself. Like, I carry on when I travel. I've written blogs about it. I feel like I did a video about it. That's what I do. And I even shop with only a carry-on, but that is a carry-on. And I am traveling by Amtrak with a baby. Yeah, stroller and all. So this is going to be good. I am a bit nervous about this, I will admit, because I don't know. I've never done it. So let me eat, gather my thoughts, and try to plan it out before I go to executing it. I need to try out this new stroller. I got a new stroller. I can't even speak. I'm hungry. I have a new stroller for baby Chena that's like an all-in-one thing, because again, I'm trying to minimize, but I'm rambling on. Let me eat and get to packing because my train leaves, I want to say at like 4:30 a.m. So I will check back in. Did my blog post, did a post for Insta. I've been working and I'm like in full-on redecoration mode. We'll get there. Okay. Alrighty. Ciao for now. So now I am questioning if I should take my Neverfull. I use this as like my storage, or if I should take this vintage Gucci, because again, I only want to pack one bag. So I'm trying to think, and with that packing of one bag, it's going to be for both baby Chena and I. So let's see, because I can fill this up. I really need to decide. Okay, I guess I need to decide what I'm going to pack, and then that will determine which one I should use.